Do you want to know how you can enable the email login option on Melbet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the email login option on Melbet. So go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC and then go ahead and search for melbet.in. The next step is to log into your account, and what you need to do now is click on your profile, which is over here, or just hover around it and then click on account settings. After you click on account settings, you can see this type of interface, and under the account section you can see email login. Go ahead and click on it and you can see the information has been saved, and now you have enabled the email login option. So guys, let me teach it to you once again. Hover around your profile and go to account settings. Then go ahead and find email login. If it is turned off, go ahead and click on this button once again and click OK, and your email login option on Melbet will be turned on. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.